So hello and welcome back to another unboxing or unlettering. And the first thing I actually like to look at is actually the stamps. And as you can see, Year of the Snake, Christmas Island. So even though it's Christmas Island, it's Australia as well. And it's also Australian Antarctic Territory and Cocos Keelig's Island and Norfolk Island. Those stamps can all be used in Australia because they're issued by Australia Post. Then we have Jesus and his mum. Can't remember what his mum's name. So it's that side of the extra stamps. And on the other side, we have these famous Australian legends. So who are they? Victor Smorgon, AC, and Lottie Smorgon. Dame Elizabeth Murdoch. I think Murdoch University is named after her or her husband, I don't know. Lady Mary Fairfax Companies, Frank Lowy. I don't really know much about them. And we just got more of the normal stamps. Then we have on this one, we have some older stamps. So 45 cents, that's what, 2007? Wow, 13 years of 45 cents. And they're $1.10. And this one is Australia, so if you're not too familiar with the animals, these look like bilbies. There's a koala, wombat, kangaroo, that's a rabbit, definitely. And the same animals as well. Crocodile. Not too sure what that is. Is that an emu? Don't know. Then we have some. Oh, look how it cancelled it. Just a texter. Then we have, what's it? 25th of October. Yeah. Ship. Is that in Dutch? That's why I can't read it. Anyway, then we have some fruit. Beautiful. So let's open these up and see what is actually inside. I'm pretty sure I've got some coins from El Salvador. So I don't have any stuff from El Salvador, so this should be my first lot. Yes it is. Oops. So what do I have? Put that back in actually. So I've got the actual cents. So I've got the 1, 3, 5, 10 and 25 centavos. And El Salvador doesn't use their own coins or banknotes anymore. They actually use the US dollar. And these are actually pretty, not really that good. And they just have the denomination. On the other side, they usually have this guy. So this is I think his name's Salvador. And oh no, Christopher Columbus, I think that is. And these are most of the coins except for the 25 cent, which has this guy who looks like a pope. Can't remember who the hell that guy is. So those coins are actually not that easy to get actually. El Salvador coins seem to be quite expensive. So here I have another package. Don't know what's in this one. I knew what the El Salvador ones were because I quite often buy from that person. And this one is Vietnam and Tanzania. So another video coming up. So we have the current coins of Tanzania. So we've got 50 and 100 shillings. And then we have the 200 and the 500 shillings. So I think the exchange rate's probably about 2,000 shillings equals $1. That's just a guess, I could be wrong. And this one's 2014. So as you can see, has a holographic strip. This is the highest coin used in Tanzania. And on this side it has this guy. And these coins, 50, 100 and 200, were issued back in, I think 1998, 2015. So if you ever go to Tanzania, these are the coins you're actually going to be using. And then we have the older 20 shillings. So, and as you can see, the effigy is the same guy who's on the actual 50 shillings. So it's race, yeah. Not too sure which one's his name. I think this is his name there. Nugu Aji Hassan Mawinyi. Definitely sounds African. And then we have some. So we've got Vietnam's current coins. The smallest is the 200 dong. 2003. Then we've got 500. Then we got the 1000, 2000, and then we have the 5000. So I've been to Vietnam and they don't use these coins, so don't expect to actually get them if you ever go there. And then we have the South Vietnamese 1 dong, 1960. In 1964, so this was actually issued after 1 year after this guy on the 1 dong was assassinated. Then we have the 5 dong, the 10 dong. So these are 1964, 1960 to 66, so copper nickel. Anything after 66 is you can see it black there, so it's nickel plated steel. 1968. Then we have the 20 dong. So you can see there's a die crack up there. Goes right through the coin. Ooh, that's a good error to actually find. A bit about the corrosion, no? Yeah, see? This is what happens to steel over the long period. It just totally corrodes. Because just iron, really. So here we have the 1964, it's copper nickel, and 1968, it's nickel plated steel. If you look at the sides, you see that the nickel plated steel is turning black, corrosion. So in the long term, these 1968 coins won't really be found in archaeological context because they would have corroded, but these 1964 you'll probably find quite a lot. And then we have another one. So this is from Darwin. Darwin. I know what this is. Okay. I got these cheap, so I actually paid extra for postage together. So here we have some proof coins. Now, someone got a proof set and actually took out the actual coins and sold them separately. So this guy, might have been him, it might not have been. So I've got a 91. Got a 2006. Then we have a 5 cents. So we have this one's an 89. Okay, another 89, and that's a 1 cent. So someone actually was asking about the old pre-decimal proofs, and they're actually not like the current decimal proofs, which are frosted. They're actually quite different. 98, 98. Here we go, 1993. And got quite a few more. So a 92 10-cent coin. So there really shouldn't be any errors in these coins. Okay, 1983. Okay, proof. Then we have some more over here, so I've got 1990. Don't know how much these proofs are actually worth really. 98, I think between the 80s and 90s, 70s, 80s and 80s actually. Probably quite a lot of proofs are actually produced. Looks nice. And a 2000. So that is a lot of proofs. Now I have to try and get rid of them. I think I brought too much. And the last one is actually the best one. So this one, if you are paying more than $30 for it, you'll get ripped off. Even though catalog value says 60, 30 is the maximum. I would say paying between $20 and $30, and that's for one that's actually uncirculated. So here you go. This is my favourite Australian banknote, and it is okay. So this is 71, so 39.71. So this is the second run. The first run actually had a problem with the holograph; it actually come off, and this is the good side. And on the other side, we just have, I believe that's probably the Endeavour with colonists. So that first at Sydney Cove. So that is the new things I actually picked up. Quite like it. Some people would like the proofs, but I've never really gotten into them. I just pretty much like coins that actually circulate. Anyway, I'd like to say thank you very much for watching my video. I'll leave some links down below to actually coins on eBay, and have awesome coin collecting time. Thank you, and bye bye.